Hello, thank you for your help in sharing your recruitment experience so other workers can learn from your experience. Here is a short tutorial on how to upload your review of recruitment agency to recruitmentadvisor.org. Rest assured, this is 100% anonymous. Your information is 100% anonymous. We only need your story so other workers can learn from your experience. Here we go. You're on a homepage of recruitmentadvisor.org, and once you're here, you just click Review an Agency, and then you can also change the language that you want. And here you choose the country where the agency is located. I will choose, for example, Bangladesh. And the agency I'm working that sent me to work in Bahrain. And type in the name of the agency. I just put any agency. And then here there are already some list of agencies matching my search, but there can also be some agencies that does not exist in this list. And for that, you can add the agency by yourself. Simply by entering a button of add an agency. So if you find your agency on the list, you just click review. But if you didn't find, you click add an agency. And here I just type in the agency name and I click submit. And then I fill in these short survey questions. And here I can again change into the language I want. And then I have to fill in the questionnaire. Make sure you answer all the questionnaire. Here is where you put the company name that you work for, but this is not mandatory. And this is with an options of other where you can put another answer. For example, the passport is kept with me. And in the end of the questionnaire, please share some text about your recruitment experience or recruitment agency so that the other workers can read about your experience. This part is what the workers can read on the homepage of the website. And on this part, please put the code that is agreed or shared by the coordinator of the survey collector, and then also put your gender and your age, and then you can simply put the email address of mrareview22@gmail.com. Click I agree with the terms and conditions of the website and post your review.